Holly.
What's up? I'm Jawan.
And today we're going to be making chia pudding parfaits for you. All right, now we are going to add 2 cups of our coconut milk plus some water to make it 2 cups. So we're gonna pour in and do 1 cup in our measuring cup. And, oh wait, it is 2 cups. Well, that works too. Yeah, just improv, guys, improv. Okay, alrighty. Next, I'm going to add our cinnamon. And we just need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It'll add a nice flavor to it. There we go, 1 teaspoon. All right, and vanilla, of course. Alrighty, there we go. And 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. All right, and then whisk that all together. You know, whisk it up real good, just to get it all mixed in there evenly. All right, and then so when you're done whisking it, you just want to pop the lid on and then put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or if you want it extra thick, you can put it in there overnight.
The next step that we're going to do in our chia pudding parfaits is going to be chopping up fruit. Today I'm going to use papaya, blueberry, and raspberry. I normally would use some other fruits such as mango and stuff, but this is what I'm going to be using today.
Okay, so we just pulled our finished chia pudding out of the fridge and it was in there overnight, and it should be a consistency kind of like Jell-O, and the chia seeds should have absorbed all the water. So I'm going to start scooping it into my jars so we can start layering our chia pudding parfaits. Okay, wait, now what's the question is who gets what? Like who's papaya, who's blueberry?
Yeah, who wants what?
Who's a raspberry? I really love to make it for breakfast. I made it last week and it was super good, super convenient to just have in your fridge. And it's super filling, really easy on the tummy. And it's just, honestly, I think I'm gonna start making it more often now.
What do you think about that papaya?
I like it. It's really good.
Okay, thanks everybody for watching, and we hope you make this recipe and enjoy your own chia pudding parfaits.
Yep, thank you. Have a good one.